anti-rock sensor. Today, let's take a closer look at the RLT6200 pulse radar level transmitter, a reliable solution for continuous bulk solid level measurement. The RLT6200 offers a measuring range of up to 35 meters, making it ideal for applications in high silos and large bunkers. With its IP67 protected housing, the RLT6200 withstands harsh environments. It ensures accurate measurement even under demanding process conditions, with pressures ranging from -1 to 40 bar. And thanks to its fast response time of less than 2 seconds, you get real-time and reliable level monitoring. To configure the RLT6200 pulse radar level transmitter with horn antenna, follow these simple steps. First, provide a 24V DC power supply to the transmitter. Now let's set damping, dielectric constant, and medium using the 4-button interface, escape, up, down, and OK. Press OK to enter the menu function. Navigate to basic setup and press OK. At damping, press OK and set the desired value using the up and down buttons. Confirm with OK. Next, move to dielectric constant. Press OK and set the required value using the up and down buttons. Confirm with OK. Now, move to medium. Press OK and select between liquid, solid, or others using the up and down buttons. Confirm with OK. Finally, press the escape button to return to the main menu. With its advanced radar technology, user-friendly configuration, and rugged design, the RLT6200 pulse radar level transmitter is your trusted partner for accurate and efficient bulk solid level measurement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more instrumentation tutorials.